Build-A-Bear Workshop is an experiential and entertainment company. When guests come to visit the workshop, they're hoping to have an amazing experience delivered by our bear builders, from helping them choose their furry friend to bringing their furry friend to life with the stuffer, and then experiencing that amazing, heartfelt heart ceremony. We're a multi-generational brand that has been around since 1997, and we've been delivering amazing experience to our guests for over 25 years.
Build-A-Bear was, like many companies, going through a legacy transformation and change. It was time to really look at how could we develop the solutions that were going to broaden our opportunities, allow us to have seamless transactions, and really elevate the company for the future. So what they looked at was Dynamics 365 and the full aptitude of what it was going to offer the business.
The goal was to get all departments integrated and on the same system. That was the most important thing for us. Everybody being on the same page at the same time, in real time. With Dynamics 365, we have streamlined many processes and functions across all of our warehouses. We cycle count the warehouse 3 times per year. That is down from 4 times per year for a 25% labor reduction year over year. Unit and dollar accuracy rates both remain consistently in the 98 to 99% accuracy rate.
Dynamics 365 gives us the flexibility to make modifications wherever we want. Dynamics reduces the need for multiple integration points by consolidating the ERP with warehouse, finance, and inventory into one system, which helps in reducing errors and failures.
Using Dynamics 365, we're able to see where every product is during the life cycle of the product. Each product has a license plate. We're able to see where it is in different stages.
So our warehouse was operating on Dynamics. We needed our stores to operate on Dynamics as well. So now our stores receive all their shipment by scanning it in, and they can see accurate inventory. They also can complete cycle counts, do item inquiries throughout the day and throughout the week. So we just have a much more accurate view of our inventory in our workshops.
A major improvement in the process is that as soon as cartons are scanned, they will be shown as available. In the past, it would be days until merchandise was available for allocation.
Microsoft Dynamics 365 has improved our ability for order fulfillment from our stores. So our warehouse fulfills web orders and our store teams fulfill web orders. And now we can route more orders to our workshops because we have that accurate view of every single unit they have available on hand. During the holiday peak busy season, when we're having a lot of online business, we're really able to leverage our workshop teams to fulfill even more orders and extend our window of delivery time to make sure we're meeting the needs of our guests during that holiday season.
What Dynamics 365 has done for us is it allowed us to get to the data sooner, more accurately, and allow us to really start to capture points of what we could do with that data to change. So it's a whole ecosystem that we run here with Microsoft that allows us to capture, store, understand data, and then start to drive the business from it. And then, of course, adding in AI, right? Adding in this co-pilot and keep driving the efficiencies around that. And so we can't wait to keep unlocking that and moving forward.